Hey guys, Carlo here. Welcome to the vlog. This is the channel where we talk about sneakers, life, and tech. And for this episode, I'm excited because I finally get to unbox and share with you guys my Grail Prestos. The Nike Presto is probably my favorite Nike sneaker alongside the Air Force One, and I was able to finally bring together two Prestos that I've had my eye on for well over a year now, and I'm thrilled to have them here in my collection. I get to unbox them with you, and I get to share this moment with all of you guys here on the channel. So that said, let's go. Now, if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please make sure that you do so. We do constant giveaways. In fact, we're giving away a Realme smartphone as well as a Realme True Wireless AirPods. So make sure that you hit that subscribe button, follow me on Instagram, join our Facebook community, and then click the links down below in the description box for the rest of the mechanics. Good luck. Now, arguably, this is my Grail sneaker and Grail Nike Presto. It is the off-white Presto OG. You've seen this on the channel so many times. You've heard me talk about it so many times. My main point is the Presto is one of my favorite sneakers, period. Now, today, I have two Prestos that I want to unbox with you guys. They're actually a collaboration between German-based shop Acronym. They specialize in techwear. To those who don't know, techwear is like everyday clothes with special fabrics or features that allow for better movement, comfort, water resistance, or whatever kind of special function. So it's like it's like, you know, clothes that have function. It's not just something that you wear for style, it actually solves specific problems. So Acronym, the German-based brand focused on techwear, collaborated with Nike Lab to put forward 3 Prestos like this, I think a couple of years back. And they even came out with a new set of 3 colorways, I think last year or 2 years ago. So there's a total of around 5 to 6 Prestos already with their collaboration. The two that I'm going to show you are some of their first works, and I'm thrilled to be able to unbox this with you guys today. Now, as you can see, it comes in this orange Nike box with the Nike glossy logo at the top. You have the details of the shoe over here, and as you can probably tell, it doesn't say a normal like shoe size. The Prestos, when they first came out, one of their gimmicks was actually the sizing would be in shirt sizes. So it would be extra small, medium, large, and you just kind of infer what would be your best shoe size. This is a large, which means it should fit like a size 11 to 12. To be honest, I think I should have gotten an XL, and I have a bad feeling that I'll end up selling this and then using that fund or that money to buy a bigger size of the shoe. But let's cross that bridge when we get there. Anyway, if you pop the box open, bam! Take a look at that. So this is the Acronym Nike Lab Presto. I think it's called in the bamboo black colorway. And it is one of the easiest to wear sneakers that came out of the collaboration between Acronym and Nike Lab. So you have the typical Presto midsole over here, and even that same outsole of the Presto. You have the comfort of the Presto as well with this sneaker. The upper is kind of different because it's actually water resistant. So I think that's the techwear part. So it's not just the style, it's not just the look. It actually has a certain function that, you know, gives you a certain advantage. Now, the upper, while it's not your traditional like spacer mesh that you see here with the original Presto, it is still breathable and it is still flexible. You have that Presto cage-like fingers around the side of the shoes. You have the Acronym branding here on the lateral and the medial side. You have the familiar Presto branding here on the medial side along the cage. And then you have the zippers here along the collar of the shoe and that button over here as well. Now, what I love about this sneaker is that, like what I mentioned at the start, it is super easy to put on feet, and it will go with pretty much a lot of outfits that you have in your closet. It is primarily a black sneaker with bamboo colored accents, and it's not that hard to pull off. So granted, it is a mid sneaker, you can probably change it up, or you can probably just, you know, wear the right kind of jogger pants that taper downwards so that you should be able to highlight the collar and the boot construction of the shoe. Now, I have worn a lot of Acronym Prestos in the past, and I can tell you that they are comfortable as long as you pick them or you get them in the right size. So that's the first shoe that I wanted to bring to you guys, to your attention. This is the Acronym Nike Lab Presto Mid. bamboo. Super thrilled to have this in my collection. If you're wondering about the price, if you check out StockX, a brand new pair of these bad boys go for $500 to $600 depending on the price. So that's roughly 25 to 30,000 pesos. The second Presto that I'll show you guys is something that I've actually unboxed on the channel before, but I actually wasn't supposed to share it with you then because I was still waiting for this pair to arrive. So this is like a second unboxing of sorts for this shoe. So this, same box, red Nike logo in glossy material at the top. This one is in a different size, so it is an extra large. And if you pop the box open, while the first sneaker was all about subtlety and being easy to wear, this is a shoe that just screams. The official colorway of this one is called Hot Lava. That's the pink color that you see here at the top of the collar, and you have Screaming Volt to contrast it to make it pop even more. The construction is pretty much the same. The mid and the outsole is built from your typical Presto. You have the finger cage over here that's supposed to mimic like fingers of a human hand. You have the same zipper mechanism along the collar of the shoe, as well as that button here at the back and that leather cage to give it a little more personality, as well as the Acronym branding on both the lateral and the medial side, as well as that Presto written on the cage. So if you want a sneaker that, well, kind of screams, is something that's a bit of a head turner and a neck breaker, something that will just pop out in your outfit, then this is the one that you go to from the Nike Lab collaboration with Acronym. Now, in terms of retail price, this one, well, not retail, resale price, if you check out StockX, size 12 to 13 of this one would go anywhere from $650 to $750. So that's roughly maybe around 30 to 35 or 30 to 40,000 pesos depending on where you find it. Again, that's brand new. I have seen second-hand pairs of this one being sold for around 20 to 25 here in the Philippines, while brand new pairs actually go way above 40 in some reseller shops. I have worn Prestos a lot, as you can see with my Presto OG Off-White, which has been beaten up relentlessly. And even this one has seen a lot of torture in the last few months that I've had it. And I'm looking forward to putting this one through the paces as well, because I know that I'm going to get a lot of wear out of it, because it's going to be the same comfortable Presto experience that I've come to love. So if you are looking for comfortable tech wear hype sneakers, make sure that you guys check out the collaboration of Acronym and Nike Lab. So these are just two of the first three. They came out with 3 more designs the following years, and they're actually much cheaper. In fact, you can buy any of those 3 colorways below retail. There's a black and gray model that's super cheap now, below 10,000. There's a Vault and white color that's roughly selling for it's not even wrong, it's also selling below retail. And the pink and blue version is the one I think that's still holding value somewhat. But you should be able to find like a pair without having to pay the same amount of resale price for the original or the first Prestos that they came out with Nike. And while we are on the topic of tech wear, let me just give a quick shout out to an awesome local Filipino techwear brand. They're called Sneak Attack. So if you guys don't know who Sneak Attack is, they specialize, I personally think they're like ninja gear, because they are Japanese ninja samurai inspired techwear. They have like a kimono jacket. They have drop combat utility pants. They came out with an anorak jacket in collaboration, I think, well, yeah, with Secret Fresh and DJ Big Boy Cheng and Milton C. That was a massive success. And again, let me just reiterate, they are a local brand. They are Filipinos, and they are coming out with excellent, amazing products that can compete against global heavyweights. So if you guys want to learn more about Sneak Attack, I will put a link down below to their Instagram account as well as their Facebook page. Just hit them up and check out their feed to see what the different products they have to offer. And one last thing before we end the video, talking about hype, I just want to unbox one more item with you guys today. So I ordered a rug or a carpet from Taka Shoes. I think that's his name on Instagram, but I did meet him in an event. I think it was Manila Sneaker Expo, and I bought like the Bape Mickey Mouse set from him, the Bear Bricks. I bought like 3. And he was telling me that he had like a nice Bape ape face rug available. So I ended up buying it. So I just want to show it to you guys. If you haven't seen my studio tour video yet, I actually am kind of collecting nice carpets for it. So I have the IKEA wet grass, I have the IKEA Virgil Abloh receipt carpet, I have the undefeated carpet, which I love, and this one, wow. It's basically the logo of Vape, you know, the ape, but in a carpet style. So I probably put this as well in the studio, and I'm super excited because Freddy Yu, the guy who I did the mystery unboxing with a few days ago, I'll put a link somewhere here of the video where I unboxed the stuff that he sent over, is coming over tomorrow, Wednesday, and we will be installing the shelves. So I should be doing an updated studio tour this weekend. Watch out for that. The studio is going to be lit. It's going to be fun, and I'm excited to share it with you guys. And that is actually our vlog for today. I hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know what you think about both Prestos in the comment section. Which one do you prefer? Do you prefer the bamboo color, subtle, easy to wear, strike from the shadows type of, you know, Presto? Or do you prefer this one? Loud, colorful, vibrant, fun, head-turning, and attention-grabbing. Let me know your preference. I'd love to hear from you guys, as usual, in the comment section down below. And with that said, I hope you're all having an amazing week. I know a lot of you are sad about Kobe Bryant. I am too, so let's just mourn in whatever ways that we can. Peace, God bless, what's up, boom.